Windows 10 keyboard shortcuts. Escape equals escape. Shift equals can type letters capital until Shift is hold slash to type the upper symbol in the key. Caps lock equals uppercase. Page down equals scroll to bottom of the page. Control plus page down equals scroll to bottom of the page with tab space. Shift plus page down equals scroll to bottom of the page with selection. Page up equals scroll to top of the page. Control plus page up equals scroll to top of the page with tab space. End equals bottom of the page. Home equals top of the page. Spacebar equals keep a space between a word slash scroll down. Spacebar plus shift equals scroll up. Arrow keys equals move. Tab equals keep tab space slash accept selection slash cycle on the taskbar. Enter equals move to the next line slash accept selection. Double click equals select a word slash open file, folder, or application. Triple click equals select a paragraph. Shift plus arrow keys equals select a specific range. Shift plus cursor movement equals draw a straight line slash fit to exact position. Cursor slash pointer plus backspace equals delete left hand side. Cursor slash pointer plus backspace equals delete right hand side. Alt plus tab equals switch slash navigate between open apps. Alt plus escape equals cycle through items in the order in which they were opened. Alt plus left arrow key equals go backward. Alt plus right arrow key equals go forward. Alt plus enter equals taskbar settings. Alt plus enter equals display properties for selected item. Alt plus spacebar equals open shortcut menu for active windows. Alt plus home equals return to home page. Alt plus F equals makes menu bar appear if hidden.